Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food and tech, and also unboxing. May bagong phone na naman si Realme. Grabe, meron pa silang Realme 12 eh. Ito naman bilang dumating after a week, itong Realme 13 Pro Plus at isang 5G phone na may AI. Ayan, merong AI. And we're going to unbox this new Realme phone from Realme Philippines. Alright. Parang ang selling point nito is parang you have a DSLR in your pocket. Yun yung kanyang minamarket na. Bakit kaya? Well, maybe because of the camera. Maganda yung camera specs niya. I'm very curious about this at gusto ko siyang i-test at kaya ba niyang i-replace yung aking DSLR camera or mirrorless camera in photography, no? Or also in video. We're going to try that. But before we try this phone, this Realme 13 Pro Plus na napakaganda, at sa mga nanonood or attending the Realme Fan Fest ngayon, na nangyayari ngayon kasi itong video is it's a scheduled post. So, naka-reveal na everything, no, about this phone and also the SRP nandito sa ating description. Alright, so before I unbox this Realme 13 Pro Plus, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung magandang tech specs nitong phone na to. Alright, let's do this. Okay, ito na yung tech specs ni Realme 13 Pro Plus, revealed ngayon, August 28 at 3 PM. Yan, kasi may embargo tayo eh. For the display of the Realme 13 Pro Plus, ang display niya is 6.7 inches OLED FHD Plus display na meron 93% screen to body ratio. At ang kanyang resolution is 2412 by 1080 at meron siyang 5,000:1 contrast. Wow! At 1.07 billions of colors. Meron siyang 100% DCI P3 color gamut, 120 Hz refresh rate, and also this is a 120 Hz curved vision display. So medyo curved daw yung phone, yung display nito, no, tong phone na to. At meron siyang 600 nits na manual max brightness, 2000 nits local peak brightness, at 20,000 levels of brightness adjustment. Maganda yung display nito, no, for brightness, no. At meron siyang armored shield glass, Corning Gorilla Glass. So for the protection of the screen and display, meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass. That's very interesting, no, for the display. For the body, maganda yung body niya kasi yung body nitong Realme 13 Pro Plus is a Monet inspired design. Si Monet yung artist, mga impressionist, yung mga painting. Napakaganda namang artwork niya. One of my new favorites since naka-attend ako ng Monet event sa BGC. At meron siyang Swiss SGS 5 stars drop resistance for overall. So I think it's you'll take a lot of punishment para ma-break mo itong phone na to, no? So ibig sabihin nito, matibay siya yung body niya. At meron siyang sunrise halo deco dun sa kanyang camera, rear camera. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yan. At ang kanyang body is made from premium vegan leather. Ayan, napaka-premium niya. Napakaganda ng ano niya. Parang siyang jewelry na naman na itsura nitong Realme na to. And also, ultra tough build siya. So, matibay-tibay siya. For the CPU of the Realme 13 Pro Plus, gumagamit siya ng Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 na mayroong 4nm process at it is octa-core. At ang kanyang GPU is Adreno 710. Ayan. For the OS naman, gumagamit siya ng Realme UI 5.0 at based on Android 14 for its OS. For the memory, very interesting din yung kanyang memory, no, ni Realme 13 Pro Plus. Dalawang klase yung kanyang variant, isang 8GB of RAM and with 128GB of storage. Plus, meron siyang second version, no, 12GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage. So dalawang variant yan. Isang 8 and 128 at isang 12 na 512. Ang maganda kasi dito, meron pa siyang additional na dynamic RAM plus 12GB of RAM on each of the phone. So may additional siya ng 12GB of RAM na tawag ng dynamic RAM. For the camera specs, ito medyo maganda, very interesting yung camera specs niya, no. For the rear camera, it's a triple rear camera. Meron siyang 50 megapixel na Sony LYT 600 periscope camera na merong 2.65 aperture at meron siyang OIS at ang kanyang focal length is 73 mm. Yung second camera niya is 50 megapixel na Sony LYT 701 OIS camera na may 1.88 aperture at with the focal length of 24 mm. So dalawa yung kanyang 50 mm at meron siyang extra pang camera, yung pangatlo 8 megapixel 8 megapixel na ultra wide camera na may 2.2 aperture with a focal length of 16 mm. So tatlong rear camera, dalawang 50 megapixel na Sony LYT yung kanyang camera at isang 8 megapixel for its ultra wide. Grabe, ang ganda ng specs niya. It can do 4K video recording 30 FPS. As for slow motion, 720p 2040 FPS, napakabilis to na. At 1080p 30 FPS for time lapse. Ayan, so maganda yung time lapse siya, 1080p na. At meron siyang multi-view recording. At for the camera mode niya, can do photo, video, street, night mode, portrait mode, pro, panoramic, high-res movie, time lapse, slow-mo, long exposure, dual video, at the dock scanner, starry mode, tilt shift, at Google starry mode, no? Para I think pag starry mode ka ata. I'm not sure if it's for astronomy, photography, or yung mga ilaw lagyan na star. We will check natin yan mamaya. At very interesting nung kanyang rear camera, no? May tinatawag na World's First TUV Rainland High Resolution Camera Certification. Ano kaya to, no? At meron siyang Hyper Image Camera System. Ito yung parang post-processing ng camera niya, no? So, pinapaganda pa niya yung mga images. At meron siya dito, since namin siya kanina is AI, so meron siyang AI Ultra Clarity at AI Group Photo Enhance at AI Smart Removal. So, ano ba itong mga to? It's AI feature sa Realme 13 Pro Plus. Sa AI Ultra Clarity, pinapalinaw pa niya o pinapaganda pa niya yung photo. Tapos si Group Photo Enhance, so all of the, I guess, the photo sa group photo, no, walang isang character diyan o kasama niyo na malabo, malinaw din ang pagkakuha niya. At also AI Smart Removal, removing unwanted objects or people, mga photo bomber sa inyong photo. Yan ang gusto ko mag-try kung gaano ka-smart yung AI Smart Removal niya. And that's only the rear camera. For the front camera naman, meron siyang 32 megapixel na Sony selfie camera na merong 2.45 aperture and it can do 4K video recording, 30 FPS siya, at meron siyang front zoom, multi-view recording, at for the camera mode ng front camera, can do photo, video, panoramic, portrait mode, night mode, time-lapse, dual video, face beauty, at fill light. Uy, importante yung fill light, no? Para pag sa madilim ka or low light, iilaw yung screen and I guess it will add illumination, no, sa inyong front camera photo or video. And that's it for the camera. And let's move on to the battery specs niya. Meron siyang 5,200 mAh battery na merong 80 watts Super VOOC fast charging. Ayan. Kasi malaki yung battery niya, kailangan niyang fast charging. At dun sa battery niya, for 50% charging in 19 minutes. Uy, mabilis siya. 50% charge in 19 minutes. At USB Type-C port siya. At meron siyang 4-year battery health guarantee, 17.2 days of standby time, 18.6 hours of YouTube viewing, 73.5 hours of music streaming, at 8.9 hours of gaming. So, sa gaming talaga, yun talaga usually yung mga kumbaga duration, no? If you're doing kasi very heavy kasi pag gaming, kaya hanggang 8 hours lang yung kanyang battery specs niya. Battery duration pala. For other specs ni Realme 13 Pro Plus, this is a dual nano SIM, 5G ready and 5G dual mode na rin din siya. May Wi-Fi na 2.4 tsaka 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, at wala siyang NFC. Yun lang yung pinakang mahinang niya, wala siyang NFC. So, meron siyang super linear dual speaker siya, at dual mic cancellation. Supports Aureality audio. Di ko alam kung itong Aureality audio na to, no? Optical optical finger under screen. So meron siyang fingerprint scanning doon sa mismong screen. At meron siyang Pro XDR Restore HDR photo. So very interesting to. Parang if you take a photo at nag-add ka ng HDR, you can choose kung may HDR ba o wala. Oh, this is interesting, ah. At meron siyang 3D VC cooling system. It's a 9 layers of cooling. If you're doing gaming, so hindi iinit yung phone kagad. Meron siyang cooling system. At meron siyang IP65 dust and water resistance features. That is good. At rainwater smart touch. So kahit mabasa yung kamay nyo or naulanan kayo, you can still use your phone with no problem. Gumagana pa rin din yung screen niya. At also yung mga commands niyo in activating the apps. For the body color, meron siyang Monet Gold. Nakita ko yung mga pictures na ganda ng Monet Gold. And also Emerald Green. I got the Emerald Green sa Realme 13 Pro Plus kasi I did a teaser photo sa online at yun, nakita nga nila. It's a green siya. Okay, maganda yung Emerald Green pero mas maganda yung Monet Gold. Nakita ko na sobrang ganda. Okay, for the SRP of the Realme 13 Pro Plus, for the 12GB and 256GB na variant, that's 28,999. And for another variant, 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage, that's a 31,999. And offer lang ito sa mga Realme stores, physical stores, no? And pag bumili kayo, nag-pre-order kayo, you get a gift box worth 29,999. Hindi ko alam kung ano naman yung box na yon. And also, another sale naman nila, launching this August 28, sa 12GB with 256GB of storage, ang price niya is 24,999. This is a promo, no, for only TikTok shop ni Realme. And if you buy or pre-order, you get a free TechLife Portable Steam Iron. So, plancha siya. So, ayan. I guess I need to unbox this na para magkaalaman tayo kung gaano kaganda itong Realme 13 Pro Plus at talaga bang ma-replace niya yung aking DSLR. Okay, unbox na natin to. Let's do this. Alright, here's the Realme 13 Pro Plus from Realme Philippines. So this is 5G at meron siyang AI dito because meron siyang AI feature. So we got a 12GB and 512GB of storage. So open na natin to. And this is brand new from Realme Philippines. Thank you so much. Ayan, matatari na natin itong bagong phone. And may box sila dito. And this is the phone unit. Ayan, labas ko na. Ayan. And this is the Realme phone. Ayan, ito yung siya, parang green, no? Iba yung pagka-green niya. Hindi siya light green. But parang iba, vegan leather yung kanyang body. So, mamaya balikan natin yan. At what else inside the box? So, syempre, dito sa box na to, there's a jelly case. Uy, iba, hindi siya jelly case, iba siya. Parang cover siya, oh. Parang cover siya, plastic, parang plastic casing cover to protect the phones, manuals, and also the SIM ejector pin. So, ayan, ang laman ng box at may kasama siyang, syempre, yung cable niya na USB Type-C cable and also the 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging. So, ito yung mga kuha nyo. If you buy the phone, at ito yung laman ng loob ng box. So, okay, let's go back and check the phones. Alright, so here's the phone. Ito yung pinagmamalaki nilang Monet-inspired design na, ayan, sa camera, yung bilog ng camera, tsaka yung parang ring, parang watch, no? Ang ganda. And ito yung triple camera, 50-50, 8 megapixel, tapos meron siyang LED flash. Tapos yung front camera is here, pinhole style, 32 megapixel. So, sa taas niya, there's a speaker and also a mini microphone here. Sa left side, it's very clean. And sa ilalim, it's the SIM tray, USB Type-C, may microphone dito, tsaka speaker. So, dual speaker siya, dalawang speaker siya. So, sa right side naman is the power button tsaka yung volume. So, yun lang naman. So, let's check the SIM tray kung anong laman niya para ma-orient kayo kung pwede ba siyang lagyan ng expansion or whatever. Okay, here's the pin. So, open natin to. Ayan. So, boom! It's only a dual nano SIM. So, wala siyang way to add expansion. So, okay lang. At least clear na, no, na explore natin tong SIM tray niya. So, okay, i-fire up natin. Meron akong konting problema. Naglulok ko lang yung kanyang screen protector. Pero, I guess, kung ganito niya ma-encounter niya, pwede naman papalitan to. So, akin medyo hindi siya perfect. Nakikita ko kasi may bubbles. Pag ginaganon ko na lang siya para matanggal yung bubbles. Ayan. Maybe because sa storage, no. Ganda ng ng rear camera niya. Very nice. At sabi niya, it can replace your DSLR. So, this is a DSLR camera in your pocket. So, fire up na natin si Realme. Set up na natin to. At I'm very excited to try this for photography ko talagang marireplace niya yung aking big camera, no? Ayan, Realme, check it out. Actually, may mga fellow tech media na tayo na nag-unbox na and also did a test. Medyo na-spoil ako. Nakita ko yung quality, it's very good. Ang ganda. So, let's click hello. Hello. Ayan. Let's choose English. And for the region, let's choose the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan, talagang on the spot tayo mag-setup ulit. Click next. Network mobile, wala muna kasi we're on Wi-Fi. So, set up device. Wala na tayong ganyan. Okay lang. Connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. So, wait lang. And I'm now connected sa Wi-Fi. Ito na naman tayo sa ating focusing at sa ilaw. Ayan. Nawala na kasing ilaw kasi nagbago na kasi yung dito, naging dark na eh. Tsaka yung table ko naging dark. So wala tayong parang extra reflector dito for doing unboxing. Ganda, grabe oh. Ganda lang niya. So we're still waiting, getting ready your phone. Don't copy apps and data. So we're checking the info. At least ito medyo maganda, mabilis yung loading niya, no. Nakakatawa. Mas gusto ko yung mabilis yung pag-setup ng phone eh. Pero ito makikita nyo yung behavior ng phone, no. So, paano ba to? Email. Okay, ito mag-sign in ako ng email ko. Wait lang Okay, na-sign in ko na yung aking Gmail para makapag-install tayo ng mga apps sa Google Play Store. And still, loading pa yung phone. Inactivate pa niya yung mga Google services. So, ito, another phone to test it out. Maganda yung kanyang pricing na rin din. Medyo high-end, no? Use backup device. So, cancel natin yan. So, accept. Ito na. Let's unlocking method, no? So, first of all, let's make a password muna, no? So, numeric or numeric na lang. Okay. I think this is the numbers lang, no? Sana 4 numbers lang. Okay. So, 6 siya. So, okay lang. Wait lang. Mag-set na muna ako ng password. Okay. Nakaset na ako ng 6 PIN code. Let's go to the fingerprint naman. Siyempre, kailangan kong i-unlock muna to. Wait lang. Okay. Na-unlock ko na. So, for the fingerprint, ito siya. Nasa screen siya. So, pindutin natin yan. Ganda. Naramdaman ko yung parang yung vibration ng phone. Ganda, maganda. Medyo malutong siya, yung vibration niya. Ayan. Click lang natin to dito. Yun. Alright. Naka-enroll na. So, sa face naman, click natin yung face. Muna ako? Login ulit. Okay. Here's my face. Okay. Bilis Okay. Next. Continue setup. Okay. Continue tayo. Checking, access, okay, agree, okay na to, agree lang tayo na agree, assistance, agree, okay, loading, please wait, so no thanks, getting your phone ready, wait lang natin to, okay, sign into Realme, so wala pa akong Realme account, so skip ko na muna to. Recommended for installation. So, to sa screen display, I like the, ano ba to? Medium for the font yata to, no? So, default lang tayo. At navigation, I like the 3 buttons. Sorry, old school ako eh. Okay na, Realme UI, get started. And, ganda ng color niya. Mas maganda sana kung kung ito yung color ng wallpaper ko, parang gold siya eh. Kung makita niya, para siyang gold. Sana naka-gold din yung ating body, no? So, ito na siya. It's very responsive. Ayan, yung mga menu niya. Ayan. May screen recording kaya siya. Screenshot, screen recording, meron siya screen recording. Let's check the system. For the system, okay, about the device. So, 512 GB of storage, Snapdragon 5200 battery. Yung RAM niya, ayan no, you can expand the RAM up to 12 GB. So hindi pala siya I guess it's a RAM expansion, tama, RAM expansion. So you can add more, no. So pag ginamit natin ito, kailangan natin mag-restart. So wag na tayo mag-restart muna. Explore na muna natin to. Very nice. So meron siyang Google Play, malinaw na may Google siya. You can install, syempre, Call of Duty na kagad yung install ko dito. Ayan, habang di pa busy. At saka yung build ng size niya, ano, ang ganda siyang hawakan. Very hindi siya masakit sa kamay. I'm using a bigger phone, masakit sa kamay. Ito hindi. Tsaka ang ganda ng, ano niya. It reminds me of the Realme 12 Pro Plus, do. Para siyang magkamukha, kambal sila eh. So this one has a better camera spec and also has an AI na hindi pa tayo mabubukting. So, let's explore the camera. Or the camera niya is, merong 0.6x. That's very good. 0.6x. Hanggang 6x, hanggang 120x. Wow, ang tindi nito ah. Matindi yung camera nito. That's for the photo. For the video, syempre may 0.6x din siya. So, 6x siya. Kailan siya? Hanggang 18x lang for the video. Siyempre, meron siyang street mode, parang street photography mode, night mode, ayan. Portrait mode, for portrait, you can adjust the bokeh here. Ayan, ito yung mga other, yung starry night though. Saan yung starry? Ito starry mode na to. Ano ba itong, for astrophotography, kung photo or time-lapse. Okay. Ito yung magagamit dito kasi sa loob tayo ng bahay. So, meron tayong model, si Bulma, ating model na si Bulma, no? And let's do medyo harsh lang yung ilaw, no? Maayos ba natin to? Ayan, ayusin natin. Hindi siya nag-automatic. So, let's do a photography. Let's try kung gaano kaganda itong camera nila. Kasi sabi nila, it can replace your DSLR. Uy, grabe oh. Sa preview pa lang nito, nakikita ko na ang ganda-ganda. So, 0.6x, may 1x na tayo, 2x. Ganda. Dito pala nakikita ko na yung difference niya. Ang linaw. I'm expecting something different. 0.6x. Ang ganda, linaw. So, sabi niya, sa mga zooming daw, it's powerful. So, I think naka 14x na tayo for photography. Bakit ganon? Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, 3x lang tayo. So, 6x. It's much very clear. So, kung titignan mo yung preview ng mga shots natin, napaka-cute. Grabe. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ang linaw niya. Sobrang linaw. Zoom pa lang yan. Grabe, ang linaw. Ayan, no? Ang laki ng difference niya. Parang pwede siya, no? Photo replace your DSLR. Basta't maganda yung ano niya, no? Yung pagka-zoom niya. Kasi parang pag portrait mode ko to, ayan, medyo basag. So, ayusin natin yung depth of field. So, medyo malapit ako. So, gawin natin yung 1x. So, hindi ako pwede mag-zoom. It's only 5x. So, kailangan mas malayo tayo para mas luminaw siya. Layo ko na. Grabe. Ayan. So, lumayo ako ng konti. Naka-portrait mode. At, wow! Kita mo yung quality ng photo niyo sa portrait mode. Alright. Ano pa ba? So, sa video, medyo challenging to. No? So, 0.6x. So, can I change the, naka-record na tayo, kung pwede tayo mag-change ng lens. Pwede, 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x. So, medyo malabo na kasi malapit tayo eh. So, wala lang siyang way to change the camera lens kung front camera to rear camera. So, you need to press stop. And, pagka front camera, ayan. Hello. So, meron siyang zoom. Meron siyang 0.8x tsaka 1x. Meron siyang zoom to close up. Wala. 1x lang. 2.8x. I guess baka Sa photo, ganun, no? Kung photo tayo, selfie camera. Okay, ganun lang. 1x, 2x lang. So, wala siyang way. Check sa sarili ko. Okay naman. Okay naman. Maganda yung ano.
Hello.
Here's my video.
Meron siyang point.
Ang ganda ng screen, yung speaker niya. Masyadong malakas yung audio.
So, okay na i-change the... naka-record na tayo. Kung pwede tayo mag-change ng lens. Pwede. 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x. Medyo malabo na kasi malapit tayo.
Linaw. Grabe linaw.
So, wala lang siyang way to...
Very impressive nung camera niya. Kasi dito pala nakikita ko na Nakikita ko na yung yung quality niya eh. Very crisp. At meron siya ditong EV, which is you can change the exposure level. Uy, this is new sa mga bagong phone. Kasi ito yung wala sa mga ibang phones eh. Exposure level nila, yung parang didiinan mo lang siya dito. Ito, plus meron na siyang sariling setting. So, meron siya ditong tumatakbo. This is the action mode. I guess the action mode is for, steady shots. Ito, Google Lens to. Google Lens. Hindi mo tayo mag-Google Lens. And, ayan. May timer, HDR auto, interval shooting. Interval shooting, ginagamit ko yan pag nagsa-selfie ako na may tripod. So, I guess that's it for our test. Kasi mas mga nito, matetest natin to, no, in a real world scenario, no, na tawag dito. We can do photography and video sa field, no. So, I guess, ima-master natin yung kung kaano kaganda yung quality nito, tsaka yung photo niya. Kasi yun ang minamarket nila as to replace your DSLR camera. Alright, so that's it guys for the Realme 13 Pro Plus. So maraming salamat Realme Philippines for this opportunity to try the phone. At I'm very excited to use it in my everyday life. Also content creation and also gaming. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you so much Realme Philippines. Okay, shoot na tayo!